Welcome to this video. 1. Introduction. If you own a Toyota Prius, you probably already know that it's a great car. But did you know that it's also a great car for hauling around cargo? That's right, with a little bit of modification, your Prius can become the perfect vehicle for taking your gear with you on long trips. One of the best ways to do this is to install a rooftop cargo box. Rooftop cargo boxes are a great way to increase your Prius's storage capacity without sacrificing fuel efficiency or aerodynamics. But with so many different rooftop cargo boxes on the market, how do you know which one is right for your car? In this article, we'll give you everything you need to know about choosing the best rooftop cargo box for your Toyota Prius. 2. Why do you need a cargo box for your Toyota Prius? The reason you need a cargo box for your Toyota Prius is simple. It is the best way to increase your car's storage capacity without sacrificing fuel efficiency. In fact, a cargo box can actually improve your car's fuel efficiency and aerodynamics by reducing drag and improving the car's aerodynamic profile. These boxes are especially useful if you plan to use your Prius to haul a lot of gear. Whether you're a frequent traveler or an outdoors enthusiast who needs to bring along extra camping gear and supplies, a rooftop cargo box can make it much easier to do so. The most important thing to remember when buying a rooftop cargo box for your Prius is to make sure that it is compatible with your car's roof racks. Many cargo boxes are made for specific vehicles, so make sure to read the product descriptions carefully before making your purchase. 3. What are the different types of cargo boxes? There are many different types of rooftop cargo boxes available on the market. The most common type is the hardshell cargo box. These boxes are the most durable and offer the most room for storage, but are also the most expensive. They are also the heaviest, so it's important to make sure your vehicle can handle the extra weight. Soft shells are a much lighter option, but they do not offer as much storage space and are not as durable. If you are looking for an inexpensive option and don't need as much storage space, then